What should we mix in henna for dry and damaged hair? To take a good care of the hair, henna is quite beneficial. Henna helps to keep the hair healthy. Henna conditions the hair and repairs the damaged hair. Besides this, if your hair is dry and dull, henna helps to make them soft and smooth. On the other hand, coconut milk moisturizes the hair and provides proper nourishment to them. Mixing both the ingredients together helps to make the hair soft and smooth. DIY henna and coconut milk hair pack. For this remedy, you will need the following ingredients: 10 tablespoons henna powder, 1 cup coconut milk, and 4 tablespoons olive oil. To prepare henna and coconut milk hair pack, warm a cup of coconut milk and 10 tablespoons of henna powder and 4 tablespoons of olive oil to it. Mix well until it is free of lumps and you get a smooth, consistent paste. Apply this hair pack to your scalp and hair. Leave it in for an hour and then wash it off with a mild sulfate-free shampoo. Condition your hair. For best results, you can use this pack once a week. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.